For 24 years, he was the face of the Ohio Supreme Court.
The Honorable Supreme Court of Ohio is now in open session, pursuant to adjournment.
Good morning, you may be seated.
In the final year of Chief Justice Thomas Moyer's final term, the unthinkable happened.
We have some more breaking news tonight. The Chief Justice of the Ohio Supreme Court has passed away unexpectedly.
At 70 years old, the man who molded the state's high court as we know it was gone.
It was just surreal.
I remember exactly where I was, and it's hard to even talk about that today.
April 2nd marks the 10-year anniversary of Chief Justice Moyer's passing. It's a void still felt by the many he impacted.
He had a great relationship with the people in the court, the staff, and a great relationship with people outside.
That was evidenced by the hundreds of people who came from across the country to remember the former Buckeye at the Ohio Union a month later.
We have gathered together this morning to reaffirm the life lived by a man that all of us came to know as Chief Justice Tom Moyer.
As time helps heal and lets people reflect, the legacy comes to light. In this case, it's a lengthy list.
Tom Moyer not only cared about the law and about justice, but he cared about people in a way that is an example to all of us.
Former Justice Evelyn Lundberg Stratton was referring to Chief Justice Moyer's advocacy of drug courts. He put Ohio at the forefront of judicial reform and saw how it helped participants with substance use issues save their lives.
This is real life art and literature. It is beautiful courtroom drama.
As the state's highest judicial officer, he valued the importance of visibility and accessibility in not only repairing his predecessor's frayed relationships within the legal profession, but to establish a greater trust with the general public.
I always used to joke that he was so accessible, he would do anything anybody asked him to. Any event.
His ability to work with people, especially in all three branches of government, created his most lasting relic, an $85 million restoration that gave the Supreme Court a home.
That speaks to Tom's perception, his belief in the judicial branch of government, the independence. I think this building symbolizes the independence of the judiciary.
In 2011, the venue was renamed as the Thomas J. Moyer Ohio Judicial Center. It serves as an introduction to those who never knew him and a constant reminder to those who did.
I'm very glad that his portrait is in our Grand Concourse because it's nice to walk in every day and see him.
I'm Chaba Sukost for Court News Ohio.